Now we can generate long AI animation videos with just a single prompt. You might thinking how this is possible. Yes, it's true. This is not a clickbait video. I have found the easiest method to generate a complete long engaging story with consistent characters. I am very excited to share with you. So let's begin the video. To make long AI videos, we are using Elser.ai. This tool can create animation and AI movies up to 30 minutes long. With just a simple idea, you can generate the complete story scene by scene with consistent character, voices, and music. And to access it, click on the first link in the description. If you are signing up for the first time, you will get 200 free credits. On their website, you will see several AI tools. We have the AI tools for images, videos, voice, and several templates all in one place. Our main focus is on creating the AI animation and movies, so click on the first section from the left sidebar. Then this page will open in front of you. Now you see a prompt box where we need to paste our story idea. If you don't have any story idea in mind, on the left side you will see the platform give you the multiple story ideas. Refresh this icon and every time you will get the new ideas. In case if you don't like any suggestion here, you can go to the ChatGPT and ask it generate a few compelling 3D animation story ideas. ChatGPT will give you the multiple story ideas. Take a moment to read and choose the one that inspire you. Once your story description is ready, paste it in a text box. In my case, I already have a story idea, so I paste it here. Next, you will see the two options at the top. If your story description is lengthy, choose stick to the script. Or if you have a short description like me, then choose this option. Then click on the next. The AI analyzed my story idea and divided it into the multiple parts. You can read these parts, edit them, or even add new ones. Then we move on to the next step. On this page, we have the option to choose the aspect ratio. I am selecting 16 by 9. Then we have option to select which model want to use for the image generation. There are multiple image model available. I am using their own Elser image model. After that, select the video model. Here we have the Sora 2, Dance Pro and Kling AI. Then we have a voice generation section in which voice you want to generate. I'm leaving it none and hand it over to the AI. Otherwise choose it according to your story. Next select the video clip size. And last, choose image style you like and click on next to generate. Now AI start working on it. It analyzes the story really well and identifies the main character used in the story. It gives me the three character and automatically create their images. You can also change these characters. These looks fine to me and click on finish. Here the AI asks, do you want to generate the scenes automatically or manually? I choose the automatic. I am choosing the automatic option and letting the AI handle everything. Now you can see that all the scene images are generated at once. Basically the story is about the greedy archaeologist who read a newspaper about the gems found in a cave. He goes to that site to find the gems. After finding them, he tries to sell them to a jeweler. The jeweler realizes the gems are illegally mined. She informs the police and the archaeologist is sent to the jail. The best thing I like in this tool is that interface is very simple and minimal. If you want to change any image, you can regenerate it or update the prompt. You can also adjust camera settings like shot size and angle. You have the full control over the images. So if we have continued a certain story, we cannot stuck at one point. Once you are satisfied with the images, next we generate the video. To generate the clips, click on the video. The AI automatically create a video prompt for each scene, but you can edit if you want. You can also adjust the camera angles according to your scene. And if you not have any understanding about that, just leave it on to the default settings. Finally, there is a voiceover option. Here you can add any dialogue according to the scene. In some clips, AI added the dialogue according to the story. In the timbre option, all the character voices are available and you can change the voice for any character. Click on the all video clips to generate them. If you don't like any clip, you can regenerate it. Once everything is ready, click on the timeline button to combine all of these clips. Now you can see all the clips come together. You can still edit the dialogue, add or remove any part as you like. There is no need to install any video editor because everything is done right there. When everything looks good, simply click on the export option and here is the final result.
I'll mine it anyway. Artifacts, not ore, he told himself. Patience is the quiet weapon. Interesting provenance. Estate clearance. He lied. Boots answered. The lock clicked. Greed ends here.
That's an awesome story. Manually, these type of stories are very difficult to create, but this is the easiest and fastest way to make AI films and animations. You can create whatever you want. They also offer other individual tools that you can try on their website. Also, AI plans are very affordable. You can choose monthly or yearly plan to unlock the advanced features. The link is available in the description. That's all from me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe.